Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Why this looks so dark in your break? I don't know why this looks so dark, but hold on, let me set up properly. So yeah, it look a better now. I don't know what it get dark again. I don't know why it looks so dark. But welcome back to another video guys. So I made a post. I did a video about little over a week ago. I think it was 2 weeks ago. The one about hibernation. Not really hibernation, but in other words, hibernation. So I'm kind of trying to come back being a bit more regular with my videos. So I'm gonna try my very best to post as often as I can. So I didn't really have anything going on significant to make a video about. So that is why from the hibernation video, never really post nothing. So separate and apart from that, everything is basically uh just the regular, just pretty much the regular. And unfortunately, I didn't get it. I didn't have my phone yesterday on me. Um, Yesterday I was at, I don't know where down there's the name, in Portmore. They officially opened the artificial soccer field. So it's the material in which it is made, it is totally artificial, like entirely artificial, and it is the first of its kind here in Jamaica. And a lot of sponsors came on board for the opening, and I was passing by and I stopped by over there. They had a little friendly match. I think it was a six-a-side game, and a lot of sponsors were there. NCB was there, and if I remember correctly, I think it was Grace. One of those other food entities were there, and it was a nice little game in the afternoon. And quite a few teams across the area, from the area within the Portmore area, were there, and they had a nice little match and thing. And a couple other athletes, famous athletes, were there. I think the guy named Julian Fort, I think a Julian Fort in name, he was there. And this other guy will play one of them local teams they him play for. I remember for like Arnett Garden or one of them other team they him play for, but he was there as well. And it was a nice little session thing in the evening, and it was really, really nice little vibe, and over there, alright and thing. So that's pretty much what transpired for yesterday. Yeah, pretty much the basics. And that's what's basically it. So as it relates to moving forward, I hope I have more entertaining things to post. Anything that happens, I'll try my very best to capture as much as I can. So this will be a very short video. If I do have anything interesting for the rest of the day, I'll add to this video, or even make a second part or something like that. So today is Sunday here in Jamaica. It's no, not even midday as yet. Not even midday. It's after 11 in the morning. Yeah, it's the 24th of February. So, oh, and another thing I need to mention to you guys. So the other day on Facebook, not Facebook, I mean Instagram, I saw this online clothing store. They're called Shop Form, and they were seeking Jamaican brand ambassadors. So I went ahead, gave it a shot, and I'm not quite sure just that if I'm successful, but I went ahead and gave it a shot, and so far it seems like I'm going to be the one of the brand ambassadors. So as soon as all the steps go through, I get all the information and I get the confirmation that yes, I'm one of the ambassadors. you guys will have my code, my discount code to benefit from, so you guys can enjoy some discounts on your items that you buy from their page. I'll as soon as I get information on them on what's the next step, I'll let you guys know, and I'll post the discount code and all that information. I know many for try as well, many for try get into the ambassador thing more. I see it as a means of building my channel as well. So yes, give me to build up the clothing line brand, and as well as it gives me an opportunity to build my channel with you guys here. So I think I'm going to push myself to try and engage in those kind of ambassador stuff. And like, who would like clothes? Like, who really would like clothes? So ready to give it a try and see what can happen. So this will be my first one. If I'm successful, this is my first one, and I'll see how it goes. And fingers crossed it goes well. I'll just push myself to get involved with others, with other line clothing lines or whatever other lines there are, shoe line, hair line. Well, I'm not much of a hair person, but I just know I'm getting more involved with the whole hair thing. The hair thing was never me, but I'm trying to, because it was just last year I did a sewing for my birthday. I've never done a sewing before, so if anything, I just try get involved in that to see how best I could push myself forward. So that will be it for today, guys, and yeah, pretty much that. So see you guys in another video. Bye.